Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add fonts in Word. So, let's begin. To add new fonts in Word, you'll need to download new fonts. To download new fonts, open any web browser. Then, in the search bar, type DaFont and press Enter. A webpage will open. Click on the first link available. A new website will open. This website is great for downloading fonts. Here, you can see that there are a few fonts available. To see all the fonts, click on All the new fonts, but I select from these. Make sure it says Free for personal use to download fonts for free. If it doesn't say that, you might need to pay to download font. Now, select a font. I'm choosing Crayon Kids. After this, click on Download. After that, go to Downloads. You'll see that your font has been downloaded. Then, click on Show in Folder. A new window will appear, and you'll see the zip file for your font. Click on it. You can see Extract to in the top left corner. Click on it. A new window will appear. You don't need to change anything. Just click OK. Then go back. Now, you'll see a folder with the name of your font. Open it. Inside, you'll find some files. Click on the file with the font's name. Then, on the top left corner, you'll find Install. Click on it. While it's installing, you'll see various font sizes. You can use these sizes for your font, such as 12, 18, 24, etc. Now, after installing the font, open Word. I've written a sentence here for demonstration purposes. You need to apply the font to the text where you want it. Click on that text. Then, click on the font menu and type in the name of your font. Press Enter. You'll see that the font is applied to the text. Now you've learned how to add fonts in Word. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.